How to unlink Google Play account from PES or eFootball. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to unlink Google Play account from your PES or eFootball. So for that case, you just have to go and make sure that the application is completely up to date. And then to begin with, go ahead and open up your settings application. When you open up your settings application, go to apps and notification. Here you just have to go to see all apps and locate your eFootball application. When you actually go and locate it, just open it up. So after you've done with that procedure, scroll down a bit and then go to storage and cache. So while you're on storage and cache, what you have to do is you just have to go and press on clear cache as well as data and make sure that you've done it. And the next thing, when you exit out of your settings, when you try to log in into your eFootball, then you'll be able to see the interface from the very first. That is, it looks like it has been refreshed as if it has been played for the first time. So that is how you can unlink Google Play account from PES or eFootball. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.